Hello Virgo, welcome to my channel. This is your career, business, money reading for the month of December 2020. Now, being a general reading, not all messages might resonate Virgo, so keep whatever resonates. Now, in this reading, you get to know what opportunities could present itself in your career, business or money situation Virgo in this month. Also, what obstacles or challenges, if any, you could face so that you are able to handle it wisely. So let's start Virgo. This is based on your sun sign and moon sign. You can check the other video as well. Three shuffles. Universe, spirits and guides, please guide Virgo's general energy, career, business and money situation. Universe, spirits and guides, please guide Virgo's general energy. Universe, spirits and guides, please guide Virgo's general energy. Okay, so let's start here. The Fool. So taking a leap of faith, new beginnings, definitely, new energy, new way of thinking, renewed zest, energized, proactive. That's what, you're charged up with zeal, energy. That's what I get here. Two of Cups. Definitely you're making progress here. Ace of Wands. King of Cups. Knight of Cups. Take here. Seven of Cups with the Eight of Swords, Four of Wands with the Knight of Wands, Strength card with the King of Cups. So Virgo, this already I told you. So this you're very enthusiastic. You will make great achievement, great success this month. I would say great progress with this Two of Cups. You will be very cooperative, very cooperative with the people you work with. You will also receive their support, their love, their their cooperation in return. So also this talks about some collaboration, some deals, some negotiations, something new happening. Maybe it's a new job, it's a negotiation happening for a new job. Either it will happen in December or the coming month, but there are talks or negotiations going on here that's what I get here. So something new, something where you are taking a leap of faith here. With this card, but definitely a very progressive month with lot of energy. That's what I get here. You are on the achievement mode and you leave nothing. You know that hard work is the only way to success, and you are putting all the efforts, all your energy into working hard and moving forward towards the goals you desire, towards the upswing you desire in your career, business or money situation. You know that success only breeds success, so you are working towards it. There is travel here, there is travel. It could be related to marriage, moving. Yeah, this is a card of moving. So some of you, moving houses, moving relocations, or just traveling or going to travel for marriage. This is what I get here. So it's partying, meeting lot of family, friends, enjoying, that's it. This is one part. For the business, career, money situation here, there are deals happening in your favor. There is new associations happening. Suddenly there is a quick movement regarding certain deals that you have been working through in this, in the previous month, in November or October. You have been, so you will see a sudden movement in the deal. Suddenly, coming final, it's like finally the deal has come through legally, with all the formalities being done. This is for me here. Yeah, so it's one aspect in personal life. It is marriage. In professional life, something, a project, a deal, a job, interview you appeared, or a job coming through, anything which will give a solid grounded foundation to your life. That's what I get here. Maybe you will get a promotion, maybe you will get a raise in salary, a perk, anything it could be here. Ace of Wands with the Knight of Cups. So there, if you wanted to start a new venture, something new, creative project or a creative job here, again it's creative, it's basically creative here. An opportunity presents itself to you here. So there is some news, some communication regarding this year. This is moving forward. This is moving forward with this new idea. It could also be that you working on a new idea, moving forward with this idea here. Yeah. Or at least, maybe you get a Knight of Cups with the Ace of Wands. Finally, you are working towards it. It could be like start working on a new project, a new job situation. Maybe some of you will be joining in December and start off a new job. So it will differently resonate for all of you here. Some of you still are not into your head, stuck into your head. You are looking at options for job. You are wanting to find a job here. So you are applying online, but you are in anxiety. You are still stressed out. You haven't found one, and that's what it just says that yes, you should keep working hard, keep going. Keep hanging there. And just do not do this overthinking. This is a card of overthinking. This is a card of feeling depressed. This is a card of feeling anxiety, stress. You might feel, oh, there's nothing for me, ever it's gonna work. So these things, you have to come out of this self-limiting energy here, self-binding energy, because it's not true. It's in your head. This is what the card says, stuck in your head. So come out of these energies. There are opportunities here. Do not get confused. Again, as I say here, for some of you, you could be looking at new business opportunities also, but avoid confusion and negative. Stay optimistic. That's what here. Do not have pessimistic approach to things here. Strength and the King of Cups. So although there is lot of hard work, you are maintaining your professional and personal balance, home life situation, So home life situation with this card, strength, you are showing maturity in your dealings. You are not rushing in through, although I see here monetary success, growth, upward swing in December. But you are just dealing things with with your job situation. You are very maturely here. You are kind, compassionate with the people around you. You are courageous. You want to take small risks, and small risks will pay off. You see here, some small risk will pay off. Maybe it will get you some quick money, but not bigger risk. I can tell and that you should do it, and logically, with lot of analytically you should also think. But it seems that there will be certain small risk paying off. That's what I get here. So you are in an achievement spree, and you are on the path to success. December is a great month. Now, as I do not see here a lot of pentacle card, but definitely with the Fool coming, Two of Cups, Four of Wands, these are cards of money coming in through deal, through thing. So yes, money is coming to you. You will not only have your money, you will paying off your creditors also. If you have credits to yourself, so you will be paying off debts, you will paying off your credits, or you can help someone else also with this success. So money will come from I told you, promotion, perks, new job, something also related to your home, buying, selling property. Yeah, if there was something that a rental or lease or something related to your home that was you need to do, so it will come through here. It could be buying, selling, anything. So money is coming from that also. So now let me just pull out an angel guidance card, Virgo. Angel guidance for Virgo here for the month of December. Angel guidance card for Virgo for December month. You can see the in-depth readings in the weeklies that I post here. Resilience. So it's like a rise above tribulation. So small obstacles, small ups and downs, you have to rise above that. One more card, Unicorn, invites serendipity. So this is like uniqueness. That's what it comes here. You are unique. Enjoy that. So this is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much and stay blessed.